Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a living room. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw a simple sofa. I start from the bottom like this. Then I draw the sides and the pillow. And finally, the back. I draw a standing lamp on this side. And a small stand on the other side, with a plant on it. Finally, I draw a painting above the sofa. It's going to be about an island. I draw an island with a palm tree on it. Then I draw the water. And finally, the sun. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring, I'm going to use rainbow colors. I start with red on the sofa. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. And pink. For the lamp, I use red again, then orange, and yellow. I color the plant green. Then I use blue for the pot. I color the nightstand with purple and pink. Finally, let's color the painting on the wall. I color the island light brown. Then I use dark brown and green for the palm tree. I color the water blue. And I use yellow for the sun. Finally, I add a little purple into the background. And I colored the frame with this marker. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.